Hi, I'm Anna and I'm going to teach you how to create and edit your datasets in Mapify. This is the datasets creation screen in the Mapify console. To start, we are creating a new dataset named Airports with the purpose of holding location data for international airports. In Mapify, it's possible to import data from a shapefile, for example, but it's also possible to create a dataset right here without leaving Mapify. This is what we'll focus on today. After clicking New Dataset, Mapify asks you to select the geometry of what you will be creating. If it's a point, line string, or polygon. We're going with the last one. We can keep adding attributes such as an ID, which is a number, has a numeric validation, and will be unique to each feature in the dataset. Finally, a name. Now save your dataset. Our dataset can now be found in our list of datasets, but has zero data in it. We will edit the data using Mapify Editor. Here we are! We're going to create a polygon and draw one of the most famous airports in the world, Heathrow Airport in London. We will search the location and voila! Next, click on Create a Feature. Choose your desired shape. And start drawing your polygon of Heathrow Airport. Once you've finished, you can even adjust the shape to improve your polygon. To finish it off, add the respective ID and name. And don't forget to click Save and publish your dataset. We can visualize the dataset we've just created through a Mapify layer, so let's create one. We will name the layer Airports and go for a GeoJSON layer type, and select our previously created Airports dataset. Click Save and publish the layer. Inside the Layers tab, visit Preview, and there you have it, our layer created with the Airports dataset. Now it's up to you to style it according to your needs.